So, good morning, everyone. I'll be going to depends my project proposal in NSTP. So, before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Mike Adrian A. Francisco. I live in Manikaan, Zamboanga City. Um, what is my project proposal about? My project proposal about is kalinisan para sa kinabukasan, or also known o Plan Linis Kalsada, Collective Action for a Clean and Safe Road. So, the project we are presenting is the Kalinisan. So, this is conducted under the NSTP CWTS department. Our goal is not just to sweep or collect trash, but to demonstrate the true spirit of public service, discipline, and care for our fellow women and the environment. So, rationale. Why did we choose this project? We all know that NSTP CWTS is mandated by the government to mold the youth to be patriotic and ready to serve. We believe that true first step towards progress starts with cleanliness. First, we need to conduct this activity because first to maintain clean, orderly, and safe roads for motorists and pedestrians. Then the second is to prevent the clogging of canals, which are often the cause of flooding and the spread of disease. And most importantly, to show that the students, we are willing to help and participate in the development of our community. So, project details, date and duration. So this activity will take place in May 2026 and will last for our half of day. Although the time is short, we will ensure that it will be meaningful and productive. So the venue and participants, it will be held at Puruk Magic Rose, Manikaan, Zamboanga City. The participants consist of 30 NSTP CW students together within our course facilitator and of course in cooperation of the guidance of the Barangay Manikaan officials. So, objectives. Through this project, we have five main objectives with which to achieve. So the first one we have to clean and organize, scatter trash along the roads to make it presentable and safe. The second is to be responsible and discipline in proper waste disposal, not just during the activity, but to carry this habit every day. The third one is to coordinate and assist barangay officials and residents to facilitate their programs. Then the fourth one, we have to raise awareness on how important cleanliness is for safety and health. Then the fifth one is, and most importantly, to demonstrate the spirit of responsible of volunteerism, students and citizens rather. Then the benefits and impact. We believe that this project will bring great sectors for the community. Then for the community, they will have a cleaner and safe passageways free from disease and accidents. The environment will become a more pleasant and healthy place to live. For CSCMST, this will showcase the activity, participation, and good image of our school. It proves that our students are not only intelligent, but also responsible. Then for the barangay, this will be a great help to their maintenance and cleanliness programs. Order will be maintained faster with additional hands to help. For our group and myself, this will strengthen and our bond teamwork. We'll learn to work together for one goal. And for more For me and personality, it will help deepen my love for the country and be a responsible citizen. So why did you choose a road? So we choose this because we see it as one of the most immediate needs for the community often. Trash on the roads causes flooding and accidents. We also want to show that even though this task is simple, it provides. Then, why did you choose a road and clean up drive? So we choose this because we see it as one of the most immediate needs for the community. Often trash on the road causes flooding and accidents. We also want to show that even though this task is simple, it provides great help for the health and orderliness of the place. How will you do it and what materials will you see? We will have a short orientation before we start. The group will be divided into teams to cover the entire area. We will bring own brooms, dustpans, and sacks for the garbage. We will also practice proper segregation, segregation of biodegradable and non-biodegradable. How will you ensure that the result will be sustainable and long-lasting? So, aside from cleaning, we will also include a simple advocacy or reminders to residents and passerby not to litter. We want to set an example so that when people see the surroundings, they will not dirty it. And discipline is the key to making this last. What will you learn from this as a CWTS student? I will learn the true value of public service. I will also learn how to socialize and cooperate with other people. And most importantly, I will realize that I am capable of helping and contributing to building a better society using my own abilities. And that's all.